Hi, this is John from AllTouch Tablet, and we are here again with the BlackBerry OS 2.0, and we're going to take a look at the Contacts app. Contacts are also automatically taken from Gmail if you set your account here and chose to sync email, calendar, and contact. But you can also add another special account. Let's see. Add account. Advanced setup, and select calendar dev and add or card dev and add your own contact and calendar from your corporate servers. Let's get back. The contacts, it's a pretty nice laid out application. We have the search here on the top. Here you can browse between to apply the filter for favorites and video chats contacts. You can also navigate easily here by swiping your finger, and you can add a new contact with all the information usually attached to a contact. Here we have expanded one contact. You have the Twitter username, and each contact, each thumbnail has a small pictogram in the lower right corner that shows you where is this contact from. It's Gmail, Facebook, or your normal Gmail contacts, or Twitter. They have a bio here. So this is the Twitter description and username. This is the last tweet, last message from this person, even if it's via Facebook or Twitter. If you set up a company name, the playbook automatically searches for news on the web about this company. You can share meetings. You can see the common in LinkedIn connections. You can see the events and places you have in common. If you have shared calendars, you can add it to favorites, and the star appears here. You can edit a contact, and most importantly, you can link it to other accounts, so you know that a certain person is also connected to you on Facebook, Twitter, and Gmail. This is it with the Contacts app. Read the entire review of the new app on AllTouch Tablet. Thank you.